Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be showing you the flowers, everything. In my auntie's house there are many flowers, as you can see. These hanging ones we will keep there, do not worry. So this will be all. Not there are still more that I have to show, so let me show. These are many more flowers. These are the hanging ones. These are the ones on the ground. These are the ones as well. Cactus, 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 cactus. I hate cactus. That, that. Some more flowers. There are some more here and here. All of the flowers you see here are in my auntie's house. And now I will be showing you one more thing. This is the lychee tree. Lychee tree. Lychee tree.